हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आई फिट। मैं हूं डॉक्टर दिव्या और आज मैं आपसे बात करूंगी कंप्यूटर विजन सिंड्रोम के बारे में। ऐसे बहुत भारी भरकम डिजीज नहीं है, बट आज के लाइफस्टाइल में ये बहुत कॉमन हो गई है। ये थी तो पहले से, बिकॉज कंप्यूटर और मोबाइल्स का यूज तो पहले से ही हो रहा है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड एंड लॉकडाउन एंड बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क फ्रॉम होम, दिस हैज एडेड अ चेरी ऑन द टॉप. So basically, computer vision syndrome is nothing but a condition in which there is strain in your eyes. There are some symptoms in your eyes because of prolonged exposure to computer screen. जैसे जैसे आपका स्क्रीन टाइम बढ़ता है वैसे वैसे आपकी आंखों को तकलीफ होती है, जिसकी वजह से आपको कंप्यूटर विजन सिंड्रोम हो सकता है. So patients generally come with complaints of redness, eye strain, eye fatigue, इचिंग होती है, बर्निंग सेंसेशन होता है एंड कभी कभी उनको ब्लर भी दिखाई देता है. सो इन सब सिम्टम्स को मिला के कंप्यूटर विजन सिंड्रोम बनता है. नाउ इट इज़ अ रेपिटेटिव डिसऑर्डर. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप इसका एक बार ट्रीटमेंट लेंगे एंड वापस अपने वही लाइफस्टाइल को फॉलो करेंगे, वापस घंटे घंटों कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठेंगे तो आपको डिजीज नहीं होगी. नहीं, आपको अपने लाइफस्टाइल में, आपको अपने वर्क प्लेस में थोड़े चेंजेस लाने पड़ेंगे. So it is a multifactorial condition. Many factors are involved in this, and its treatment needs to be tailored according to every individual. The first thing I will bring to your notice is eye hygiene. With this, you should remember 20-20-20. That means for every 20 minutes of near work, you should take a break of 20 seconds and look at an object which is 20 feet away from you. This will give break to your eyes and also it will improve your work efficiency. The second point which you should remember is another set of figures, that is 1, 2, 10. This is the distance of the screen or the mobile which should be placed in front of you. So ideally, if you're working on mobile, it should be 1 feet away from your eyes. If you're working on laptop screen, it should be 2 feet away from your eyes. And just for your information, if you're watching a television, ideally it should be 10 feet away from your eyes. So after positioning your screen 2 feet away, make sure your chair is having a good back support and arm rest. This will provide rest to your body while you're sitting in front of computer for hours. Also, you should remember that the top of your computer screen should be at your eye level. That means you should always maintain a downward gaze while looking at your screen. This will decrease the eye strain and provide relief to your eyes after prolonged working in front of computers. Now coming to dry eye. What do you mean by dry eye? Dry eye is a major symptom of computer vision syndrome. What happens is when you focus on something or when you're looking at a computer screen for a prolonged period of time, you forget to blink. And when you don't blink, the tear film of your eyes get disturbed. So basically what is happening? The water content of your eyes get decreased and you feel burning sensation, itching, grittiness, foreign body sensation. So this forms the condition known as dry eye. So the normal blink rate is 22 blinks per minute. But in computer vision syndrome, our blink rate reduces to 7 blinks per minute. Now this is a significant decrease in blink rate. So all you have to do is consciously blink more. And when this doesn't help you, you can always consult an ophthalmologist and get yourself prescribed some medications. Also, if your AC or a high speed fan is placed exactly in front of you such that the blow is coming directly to your eyes, then also it can cause harm to your eyes. Your eyes will become dry more frequently and you will land up in dry eye syndrome. So, to sum it up, remember the eye hygiene rule 20-20-20. Also remember 1, 2, 10, that is the screen should be placed at 1 feet, 2 feet and 10 feet distance. And also remember to blink more. So basically, computer vision syndrome is a preventable condition. All you have to do is bring some changes in your work style. Thank you for watching my video. I hope I'm of some help to you.